So the Polygon network is not working for you on Metamask. Either you can't access Metamask at all, or your transactions aren't starting, or they're being dropped immediately. Well, here's the quick and easy fix for you. Open up your Metamask, click on your account, and then click Settings. Once you do that, go ahead and go to Networks. Over there, you're gonna have to find your Polygon mainnet network. You might have named it something else, so please be aware of that. Once you've done that, go to this RPC URL and change this to this value. This will be provided in the description, and then go ahead and click Save. Once you've saved it to this new RPC URL, you can close that and head back to your account. Then you should be able to connect and perform transactions as needed. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe if you like this video.